Today's topic is finding square root using long division method. Here the number is 15376. This is a large number and we have to find out the square root of this number. We have to draw two lines, top of the number and left of the number. Step first, pairing digits from right side. Step second is finding the perfect square of the number, and then we add the number and multiply same number, and so add, and here we subtract the number and write down the next pair. Now same number we have to write here and we get 44. Now add same number, so we get 24, and here top and left side we have to multiply same number, and here subtraction we get 9, and write down the next pair 7 6. Here 4 we multiply same digit, so 4 ja 16, and 4 4 ja 16 17, and 4 2 ja 8 and 9. So the square root of 15376 is 124. This is the answer. Now square root of 1024. Same process, two lines we have to draw, and now pairing, first step. Now perfect square, second step, and now plus 336, and here same number, and subtraction, and write down that pair 2 4. So here 2 2 ja 124. So the square root of 1024 is 32. Answer. Square root of 2. Same process.